Good morning, everyone. In the last class, we discussed the concept of making a triangle if the three sides are given to you, and we have discussed the four questions on that. So let's do quiz. I'm telling past 6 months. Okay, Mr. Abhas Asija. After 10.3, we will complete your this desire also. Yes, actually, beta, this port of my laptop is loose. That's why it is moving and disturbing. Okay. Now, draw a triangle. Okay, this is done. This is done. Now we have to start with a new one. Constructing a triangle when the lengths of two sides and the measure of angle between them is known. That is side angle side criteria we have to try. So let's see how it is done. Let's see an example. Sorry, a question of 10.3 only. Construct. Okay, I have given you an idea also now of this 110. Have you found? Can you make 110 using compass? Please confirm. Yes, class. Please confirm. Okay, class. The first one is construct triangle DEF such that DE equal to 5 centimeter, DF equal to 3 centimeter, and angle EDF is 90 degree. First, let's try this one. I guess this one we have done. Class, first one is done. Please confirm. First question is done. Okay. The second one we were doing is this one. So this 110 angle is possible actually using compass. Okay, roughly only it was done. Question number one. Okay, let's then do it properly for one. Okay, let's do first the first one properly. So again, let's open the. Okay, okay, Bani doing it. Wait. Hide this video panel. Hide the controls. Nilakshi. Just one second. Okay, question number one. Let's see. Question one is saying construct triangle DEF such that DE equal to 5 centimeter. Okay, first draw DE equal to 5 centimeter. For that, use scale and you have 5 centimeters till this point. You people also can use this construction tool for fun. So this is your DE, DE, then we have DF equal to 3 centimeter and angle EDF 90 degree. So first let's draw angle EDF using compass. So let's same thing, we will make an arc. After making the arc without disturbing the compass, we will take the first arc for 60 degree. We will take the second arc for 120 degree. Then we will bisect the 60 degree angle. Sir, how can we use it? You just have to open this mathspad.co.uk on the website. You can just type and you will get. Okay. So let's now take the arc from 60 degree angle like this. Similarly, let's take the arc from 120 degree angle, and that will be near this thing, and we have obtained our perpendicular. Now class, after drawing the perpendicular, we need to understand that our point F lies somewhere on this line. Our point F lies somewhere on this line. Now the question is how to find that position with confirmation. For that, we have the third thing given to us, which is DF equal to 3 centimeter. Now class, tell me, how will you find DF equal to 3 centimeter on this thing? You will use a scale and a compass for that, and you will measure 3 centimeters on the scale. Just 1 second, keeping on 0 and opening till 3, lock it and bring on D and take an arc for DF. Let me make it this side, yes. The arc is coming somewhere here, little bit confusing because it is, but still it is clear. Now we have got the point is here. Just join with this point and that will be your answer. This is point F. So class, is this clear to you? How we draw this triangle DEF in which angle D was 90 degree? So please, before making the actual diagram, first draw a rough diagram to get an idea and then only proceed towards the main diagram. So let's see the next question. That is third one. Construct triangle ABC with BC equal to 7.5, PC is equal to 7.5 centimeter, AC equal to 5 centimeter, and angle C equal to 60 degree. So tomorrow is the result of Olympiad of all subjects. Okay, good one. So please repeat the, so please last step. Okay, 1 second, Mokshita. In this question, we had to draw triangle DEF in which they had given us the length of DES 5 centimeter, I think. After that, they said angle EDF is 90 degree. So what we have done is we have drawn this perpendicular by the same way. First we draw this arc, then we take the first arc of 60 degree, second arc of 120 degree, then keeping on this 60 degree angle, we take this arc, keeping on 120 degree, we take second arc, and we obtain the perpendicular. After obtaining the perpendicular, we are sure that our point F lies somewhere on this line. To get the exact position of the point F, we need to use the third information, and the third information is DF equal to 3 centimeter. So Mokshita, what I did is I took a scale, I took a compass and I opened it for 3 centimeter. After that, keeping on D point, I took an arc on the perpendicular. That gave me the fixed or that correct position of point F, and I joined with E and got the triangle. Is it clear now, Mokshita? Okay. Now let's see the question number. Second one. Construct an isosceles triangle in which the lengths of each of its equal sides is 6.5 and the angle between them is 110. Although we can draw 110 degree angle using compass, but right now you have to do it using protractor. At the last, after doing all the concepts, just remind me, I will try to explain you how to make 110 degree angle using compass. Okay, but right now we will do it with that protractor. So let's see. So let us clear this one. First, again, this is the rough diagram. If you can see, this is the rough diagram. First, we will draw BC equal to 6.5 centimeter. So let's draw BC equal to 6.5 centimeter. 6.5 centimeter. Yeah, question number 2 only what I am doing. It is 7.5. No, I am doing question number 2 beta. I am doing this one. Construct isosceles triangle with each equal side 6.5 centimeter. Okay. Question number 2 I am doing. So this is 6.5 and the name is, maybe because of this many markings you are getting confused. So we are doing right now question number 2 only. This is the rough diagram for question number 2. So first we will draw BC equal to 6.5 centimeter. So this is your, sir, can you repeat? I was disconnected, Lakshita. Lakshita, I'm just trying question number 2 in which BC is equal to 6.5 centimeter. So this is your B, this is your C, 6.5 centimeter. Sir, I know how to make 110-degree angle. Very good, Lavya. Soon I will discuss in the class, okay? But today we will do it with protractor. Now we have got BC equal to 6.5 centimeter. Okay. Lavya, if you can send me on your own way, that would be better. Fine. Now let's see. We have to draw this angle of 110-degree angle. So you can take a protractor for that. Okay. And measure the angle 110. To measure that, from here we are starting 0 to 110 is here. Somewhere this point. 1 second. It is somewhere here, like this. So let us join with B this point. So this is your angle 110. Today we are doing it with compass. Soon we will discuss. So this angle is 110 degree. Now after drawing the angle and the base side, what we need to do now? Please tell class. Once you have drawn the BC, you have drawn the angle also. What you need to find is position of this vertex A. How will you find the position? By taking an arc of length 6.5 centimeter. Let's take that. The compass is here. Kritika, for now you can draw using this protractor or D. Soon at the end of the chapter I will explain this angle 110. It is not that little bit tricky one, so we'll discuss it at the end. Okay, so the 6.5 is this much. 6.5 is here, and that's it. So we can take the arc of 6.5 keeping on B for the point A, and this is this much. So we have got point A also, and now just join A and C. So this is the required triangle. Okay class, is this clear to you? What we have done is, first we have drawn the join the side BC, then we have drawn the angle. After that, to find the position of A, we had to take an arc of AB length 6.5 centimeter. So we have got an isosceles triangle like this. Can you tell me what is the measurement of these two angles? Class, can you tell me the measurement of these two angles? Although they are not given to you, please tell. Sir, please measure AC. Daksh, I can't measure because this scale won't go in the slanting way. Okay, this scale is only vertical and horizontal because it is more than 6.5. AC, AC will be more than 6.5 only, beta. It is a isosceles triangle. Okay. Tell me one thing. What is the measurement of the angle? This one and this one. If this is a isosceles triangle, sir, it will be tilted. Class, please tell me what is the measurement of angle A and angle C. If you know angle B is 110, what is the measurement of that? Sir, it can be slanting. Okay, Kushal saying 35. Okay, so others please confirm. Is Kushal right that this angle is 35-degree? Please confirm. Okay, it is correct because we all know if this angle is unknown, so we can say this is like this: 110 degree plus angle A plus angle C is equal to 180. And if you solve, angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 minus 110, that is 70 degree. These two are same, so we can say twice angle A is equal to 70 degree and angle A is equal to 35 degree. This way we can find. Now the last question, construct Construct triangle ABC in which BC is 7.5. So we have to make a rough diagram first. So BC we will make first. BC 7.5 centimeter. AC is 5 centimeter and angle C is given to you. Angle C is given to you as 60 degree and AC is given to you as 5 centimeter. This is the diagram. So class, this is the rough diagram for the question. Now we ready to make the real one. Again, start with the base 7.5 centimeter. So take the scale, make it okay. What happened to the pencil? Why it is reversed? 7.5 centimeter. Let us call this as BC. 7.5 centimeter. The second step is to draw angle C is equal to 60 degree. That is very simple. We will again take compass. This time we will take the arc from this side. On the B point we used to take from this side, but here we will start from this one like this. Now we will assume this point as 0 degree and we'll take the arc for 60 degree. So the 110 angle can we make from protector? Yes, sir, Bhagya, we can, but not now. I will explain, don't worry. So we have got the 60 degree angle. Just join with this one. So like this, we have got the line. Now we need to find the final point, that is A, on this angle. For A, we have to cut an arc of 5 centimeter. To cut the arc of 5 centimeter, take the scale, use compass, keep on 0 like this and open till 5 centimeter. Lock the compass. Keeping on the point C, we have to cut the arc for AC. So we have got the point A. Sorry, point A we have obtained. Just join these two, and this is the final triangle. I hope this is clear to everyone. And this was the last question of the coming syllabus for PT2. Okay. 10.4 and 5 we will discuss, but after a test tomorrow.